What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Insurance Auto Auctions for a quick walk around. We're going to jump into this today with number one on my list, something I really want. We're going to start with the thumbnail today. This is a 2012 Porsche Cayman. I have a 2006, so this one is slightly newer, but this one's got a few cosmetic challenges, as you can imagine. Not sure what happened, but I almost feel like spike strips might have been involved, you know? You know what I mean? There's no tire left back there at all. The body actually looks to be in really good shape. It's listed as a non-runner. It may not have keys. Let's take a look over here. Again, missing tire. I do notice some things going on over here, though. The plastics under here are broken. Of course, you got your radiator right there. So hopefully that is still in good shape. It sits right here. There's a bracket that holds it in. That bracket is still intact, but the damaged tire destroyed the fender liner. Got some plastics hanging out down there as well. And this is interesting. The headlight up here is just kind of sat in there. It's not, yeah, I don't know. You could literally pull it out. I'm not going to, though. Non-runner. Let's take a look at the interior, because honestly, the body looks good. It needs a couple tires, needs some plastics. Manual transmission. It does have the key. Oh, that's right. That's right. These are electronic. I forgot, back in the olden days, these were levers with cables, manual. And it's not like that anymore. Headliner has fallen down. I think it went for a bumpy ride, man. This looks very similar to mine. Very similar. Of course, she's dead as a doornail. Somebody, it looks like, has been into the fuse box down there. That's usually not a good sign. There is a way to actually pop the frunk where we could try to fire it up, assuming it would want to. And that is with the OBD2 port, which sets right here. You've got a connector that I can hook my my booster pack to, and it'll supply just enough voltage to run things like a trunk release or a frunk release. But before we get into any of that, let's just climb in real quick. See how it feels. Clutch feels good. It has one. It still has brakes. That's a big deal. All right. Ooh. That's a little on the clunky side there. Yeah, that doesn't sound particularly good. Cup holders. This is exactly like mine. Mine's just a little bit newer. I don't know what the miles are on this either, and I don't think I even see anything that tells you the miles. So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to verify that I even have that tool with me, because if I don't, this is all for nothing. Well, that's what I was afraid of. I don't know where my my OBD2 tool went, but it's gone. I just had a feeling that it was going to be missing. So you're buying this one on a hope and a dream. Buy it now. I think it's $12,000. Before I did anything, I think I'd want to run a Carfax on this. This is definitely a risk. It appears to be in pretty good shape, though, aside from a few plastic pieces, and it looks like we may have a broken fender liner over here, too. Oh, maybe a broken, yeah. Well, maybe not. It looks like maybe that radiator cage took a hit up there, so that could be a problem, too. I don't know if you guys can even see it down in there, but the plastic's broken on that as well. She's definitely going to need some new tires, and we don't even know if it runs. It's got wheel locks too, right there. Oh boy. Those are a very intricate, splined style of locking nut. I'll bet this is it right here. I hope this is the key. Yes. Yes, there we go. Okay, so we at least have that. Glove box, I don't think there was anything in it, no. All right, well, what do you guys think? I'm actually considering it, although I probably shouldn't. I already have one and it's got the rattling and smoking engine. Who knows, this one could have the exact same problem. I think what I will do though is I'm going to go ahead and do a Carfax report on it, just to get a better idea of when the last mileage was recorded, what services have been done. Honestly though, like, the body doesn't look bad, guys. It doesn't. And if we could get it on a trailer and get it down to AR headquarters, I don't think it would take a whole awful lot to put this thing back together. Definitely some tires, some plastic pieces, figure out what's going on with this headlight. It's got the key. Hell, it might run. You put some tires on it, she might actually drive. Next on my list, an oldie but a goodie. That's a 1999 Chevy Cavalier, man. Oh, wow. It's a charity, adult charitable rides, run and drive, 157,000 miles. Got some clear coat peel on the top. Honestly, though, not a bad looking car. The tires on that side look brand new. Tires on this side look brand new. Aside from the roof area, the paint actually looks really good. No kidding. You got Douglas on the back. You got Goodyear Viva 2s on the front. Looks like it might have a little bit of hail damage, but nothing serious. Oh, you're kidding. Oh, wow. This thing looks like it rolled off the showroom floor on the interior. Are you serious? Wow. The dashboards on these are usually disintegrated. There's nothing left of them typically. Look at the seats. Oh, the dash is intact. Are you kidding me? That never happens. This is usually busted to pieces. No way. Dead as a doornail. Manual windows, manual locks, no cruise control. Oh, I love it. I love it. And I bet you could still take this thing on a road trip and get 30 miles a gallon. Interstate battery, that's another good sign right there, right? Yeah, this is probably an older person's car. A little commuter, grocery getter, whatever. Let's check the oil. Clean golden oil. Oh, the good old 2.2, man. I loved this engine. They were notorious for head gasket failures right here on the corner at the front there. But the head gasket is so easy to change on these. It's not that big of a deal. I'm in love. Yeah, I know. We don't need this, but that's okay. Let's throw a jump on it. Let's see what she does. I brought out the old Noco GB150 today. That 250 plus is too heavy. It's too much to be carrying around all day. It's hard, so I brought out the smaller one. Let's see, here we go. She fired right up. Not an issue, man. What lights we got on the dash there? ABS. Traction control off, of course, because of the ABS light. She runs perfect. Absolutely perfect. Air conditioning? We'll find out here in a minute. Probably not. I'm not gonna bet on the AC. There an ashtray down here or something? Maybe not. No. There's your little cup holder. What a great little car. The sun visors are gone. Like, I don't know what happened to the cloth there, but those sun visors are absolutely gone. Let's give her a little rev. Radio? Radio ain't picking up nothing. Nothing. I'm gonna say the AC doesn't work. That's fine. Like I said, I didn't expect it to anyway. No smoke. What a trooper, man. What a trooper. I'll bet she sat for a while. Gas smells fine. Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. This is in phenomenal shape. Listen to her run. It's one of those cars nobody's gonna want it, you know? Nobody wants an old Chevy Cavalier. It's one of those cars you couldn't even give to your kids these days. They'd be offended, you know? I can't drive that to school. Like, well, I guess you're gonna continue walking to school then, huh? Yeah, the AC clutch is not on, cooling fan's not on. I'll bet you just shoot a little Freon into her. She'd probably be good as new. All right, as much as I hate to want this car because I know better, and I know that it's one of those cars you're gonna end up buying. It's gonna sit down at AR headquarters. It's probably gonna drive absolutely perfect, and we'll never be able to get rid of it because nobody will buy it. Nobody's gonna buy this car. But at the same time, it's, boy, I would take a road trip in it. I would. Wouldn't embarrass me one bit. Not one bit. I absolutely love this car. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and bid on it. Damn it, I'm going to. Let's see if it'll start back up now that it had a chance to charge. No. That battery's from 2015. Even for an interstate, guys, that's 8 years. So, yeah, she's probably gonna need a battery. Damn, this thing would take a detail and it would look absolutely phenomenal. Comment below, man, what do you think? Should we pick up the old Chevy Cavalier, or should we leave it and let someone else have it? Next and last on my list, a 2011 Lexus IS 250. I know it's just a little four-banger, but I think it's a sweet-looking car. What's interesting to me about this one is it's a pedal car. That's right, pedal. This is not a bad-looking Lexus. It is a little rough, and it does have 200,000 miles on the odometer. But overall, man, for a 200,000-mile car, it doesn't look that bad. The front bumper is trash. There's a very good possibility that happened from towing and forklifting and stuff. Very good possibility that the front bumper got damaged that way. It's got a little dent on the fender. I think it's got a cracked windshield. There's a Continental Control Contact Sport on the front with good tread. Let's see what we got on the back. We got Bridgestone on the back with good tread. Well, relatively decent tread. Let's call it decent. Falcon on this side with really good tread. So she's all mismatched. What do we got up here? Probably a completely different tire. A Turanza. All right, with, you know, okay tread. Little ding in the fender there. The rest of the body looks pretty good. It does have that cracked windshield. I thought I saw that. There it is right there. Runs all the way up and over. So it's going to need a windshield too. Let's see what it looks like in the back. Ooh, wow. Okay. The back doesn't look too bad, but it smells funky. I mean, it smells pretty bad, guys. Good Lord. And the heat out here certainly ain't helping anything. Driver's seat's tore up pretty bad. Passenger seat, it's a little discolored in places, but not too bad. I can promise you this thing is dead as a doornail. I don't even want to get in this one, guys. I'm serious. It's already got my allergies like acting up. My nose is getting upset because we're even considering it. So before we jump into it, we know the battery's going to be dead. Ooh, look at that wheel. Wow. Someone took a chunk out of that sucker. Fender liners are gone as well. Let's go ahead and just jump to giving her a boost. Battery in this, ever start, never start, dated January 21. All right, relatively new battery. We'll go ahead and get the NOCO up on there. That way we don't have to get out and do it again. So I could be wrong. Watch, this one will be fully charged. I doubt it. Oh, it is. You're kidding me. She's got 12 volts. That's the way it goes. When you know it's going to be dead, that's when it's fully charged, ready to go. And when you think, oh, that one's going to run, that's when the battery's dead. That's how it goes. Let me see if I can climb in here. Oh. Ooh, boy, that smell. Makes me think of Leonard Skinner, man. Ooh, that smell. Woo. Oh, she fired right up. Are you kidding me? No way. She fired right up. Okay. Hell. It's hard to complain about that. Air conditioning. We'll find out here in a second. We got cooled seats. Very nice. Assuming they work, I don't know. Engine sounds healthy, guys. Important window works. The other interesting thing is there are no warning lights on the dash. Yep, there it is. There it is. Oh, there they go. Now they're popping on. It took a minute, but they're coming to life. Traction control, check engine light. Oh, right into gear. Air conditioning is ice cold. This is decent, really. Sunroof needs a windshield, needs a front bumper, needs some splash shields, and of course address the check engine light and traction control light and all that good stuff. But look, it comes with some money, a cigarette lighter. You got the books. Not that anybody ever reads those, but it's got them. Yeah, this isn't half bad, guys. Let's pop the trunk. Uh-oh, trunk may not pop. The important window does work. Less important window works as well. It revs right up, man. Runs smooth. Smooth as butter. Does the radio work? Bluetooth. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it works. Everything comes on. WWLS Sports. Yeah. What do you want from this thing, man? Damn, this is nice. If I can only get out. The seat is, there we go. Whew. That seat is pushed up way too far. Does this not open back here? No? There we go. All right. What do we got? Some Meguiar's mirror glaze. We got some cutting compound, some polish. Got a spare tire that's still aired up. Looks like an amplifier or something for the radio. Some amp cables or mic cables right there. Okay, well, this was somebody's baby at one point. Not bad, I like it. What do you guys think? It's all going to depend on what the price goes for, obviously. 200,000 miles, broken bumper, broken splash shields. Probably needs at least a couple tires, windshield. There's some work to be done to this one, so it would have to go relatively cheap. 200,000 miles doesn't really scare me on a Lexus / Toyota, though, so I'm not all that concerned about whether it's going to be okay or not. That could bite me in the ass. Absolutely could. Yeah. I like it, though. That wheel should probably be replaced as well. Drop your comments below. That's the last one, guys. We're done. Do me a favor, if you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed, and maybe share the video with your friends if you think any of your friends on social media would enjoy content like this. Thank you all so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.